What you're looking at is a WaterGuard demonstrator. It is a mini tank filled with lamp oil, and it has already been filtered. We've already filtered about 1.5 cups of water through this, just trying to do this little demonstration, but we keep on messing up. I can't say the words right. But anyway, we're gonna do it one more time. I don't know how much this filter will actually suck up, but so far it's probably soaked up about 1.5 cups easily. Would you say that, Marcus? Easily. Anyway, right now we're gonna do it again, and hopefully I can keep my words straight this time. Well, anyway, what we're doing is right now we're looking at some lamp oil, and we're going to put some water in the lamp oil. Now you can filter any kind of industrial oil. You can filter hydraulic oil, motor oil, gear oil. You can also filter diesel fuel as well as gas. And so right now Marcus is going to put in some water so that you can see how it emulsifies. Right now he's turned off the WaterGuard filter, and it's just circulating around. Now Marcus is going to go ahead and drink it before you put it in there so they can see that you're actually putting water in there. So, dramatic little kid there. Anyway, he's putting water in there. Okay, there you go, Marcus, that's good. Okay, we're going to let it get emulsified, and it's going to be real cloudy. As you can see, that emulsified water is in there. It's very, very cloudy. And what we're going to do now is Marcus is going to turn off the circulator, and he's going to turn the WaterGuard filter on. As you can see, very, very quickly it starts filtering the water and starts taking the water out. As soon as it goes through that filter, as soon as the oil goes through that filter, it takes every bit of the emulsified water out and separates it and just returns clean, clear oil. Marcus is kind of jiggling the tank so that the water will go down through the tube that's pulling the water in there. See how clear the water gets? See how clear the oil gets? It looks nearly as clear as water, doesn't it? But it's lamp oil. There's a small few more particulates in the bottom that haven't been able to come through, but as soon as we wiggle them in there, it'll filter them too. And so there you have it. This one little filter here has already filtered about probably, I would say, 15 ounces of water, maybe not quite 2 cups, but about 1.5 cups so far of water. And it's still filtering water. It's just a very small 4-inch by 5-inch filter. And there you have it. Clean, clear fuel by WaterGuard.